Damn, guys, seriously, I really love the look of this. Hey guys, Gago here. I have two accessories today that I think is gonna make your Tesla look a little more sportier. Now, I do have the Model 3 Performance, and you guys know something I really wish the car had: more body parts to make it look different, just more differentiated for the rest of the model. So we gotta keep tacking on things just to make it look different. And I feel like these two things are gonna do just that. One will be interior, the other would be exterior. And big thank you to our friends over at PimpMyEV. If you do decide to get any of these accessories, all the links will be in the description below. I hate when it does that. Like, I'm not walking away. If you decide to get any of these accessories, all the links will be in the description below. Make sure to use that link as it's gonna support the channel. Also, if you do wanna get a Tesla, the link will be in the description below. You can get up to $1,000 off. So a little thing I have to say here, I am re-recording this whole video, unfortunately. The first time I was recording, it showed that I had audio levels, but for some reason it was not there. So some clips, you might see my lips moving, and I'll have to just do some voiceovers, which makes me think, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe so I can get better equipment. You know what? It's because you don't subscribe. That's why my audio is not working, because you don't want me to get good gear. Now, if you do like me and you do want me to do more content faster, quit my job, hit that like button. Otherwise, sometimes we won't have audio. I haven't heard this mentioned in any video, but I felt the driver and passenger seat, the back of it always looked weird to me. It still has that rubbery back, and I felt like they could have at least put more time into this, and it doesn't even have pockets anymore. Although this first accessory isn't for that rubbery back, but towards the top, you could see a little cutout there, and of course, our friends at PimpMyEV thought about this, and they created a backseat cover that goes right on top of the passenger and driver seat. And this is not just any type of backseat cover, it's matte carbon fiber. Something I was glad to see, the matte carbon fiber backseat cover matches the matte carbon fiber spoiler. First, I wasn't really sure whether this would look nice with the car, but the moment I took it out, I literally fell in love with it. This is one of those things that I felt like the Model 3 Performance at a minimum should have had. When it comes to the installation, I think anybody could do this. You just take off the 3M tape on the backseat covers and then line it up with the line that's already there on the seats, and you press in. I kind of held it in for probably like 10 seconds and it applied really well. This next mod I feel like should have also came with the Model 3 Performance, and these are carbon fiber mirror caps. Something I do want to mention, although I talk a lot about carbon fiber parts, these doesn't only go on performance cars. Whatever is going to make you fall in love with your car, go ahead and do it. It doesn't make you a poser for doing this. Now, this is modeled after a BMW M3, and if you didn't know this, I'm also a huge BMW guy. I think that's why I kind of fell in love with this more, because it's styled right after that. I would say there are other versions of this without the little spike. I didn't know I was gonna like the spike. I've seen this particular type of version online, but I did not really like it till I saw it in person. And of course, PimpMyEV tends to make more quality products, so that also adds to it. And so when I finally installed this, I actually loved this more than the one that was a lot more subtle. Installing this mirror cap was just as easy as installing the headrest, but there is an additional step. It does come with double-sided 3M tape, which you could apply on the edges of the mirror cap and then gently press down just to make sure everything aligns. It should be pretty easy because you already have a original mirror there, so it should help with the alignment. And once you know that everything aligns, you could just push in a little more firm and maybe hold it there for 10 seconds again, just so the 3M could stick to it. And that's it. You should be good to go. So guys, it's been a couple of days with this Model 3 Performance with all these upgrades, and I have to say, I actually still do love this. Just looking at the car when you're approaching it, just speaks a little bit more like aggressive. Now, it is very subtle in my opinion. It does poke out. People are gonna notice, but it's still not too loud or crazy. And honestly, to me, it looks great. This is the stuff that I feel like Tesla could have really done to just make the car look a little more different. It's the small things that count. It's also been a couple days with the backseat covers, and guys, honestly, like I said just now, I don't know why Tesla didn't do this. Just like an easy, like, no-brainer. You know what? PimpMyEV needs to have a collab with Tesla. The next model, you guys just need to merge. Like, this is like so obvious. Like, just This pisses me off that I don't think about these things. I don't know if you guys ever noticed, but behind Teslas, it always looked very like bare. And so I just never really got sold to like this. Like it feels so fake and they just tossed anything. But literally with this carbon fiber, it just uplifts it. Like I feel like this is like legit a no-brainer to have. And oh yeah, this thing is so great. Once again, in the description will be all of these accessories, as well as if you want to get a Tesla, you could get up to $1,000 off. And I did also make already a dedicated accessories video, so make sure to check that out. And also check out this next video where also from PimpMyEV actually, they gave us a seat covers. And these seat covers are gonna be different. And they're actually really, really nice. Have really nice padding, as well as it probably comes in your favorite color. So I haven't seen anyone have this and also make it prestige. PimpMyEV is definitely ahead of the game, so make sure to check out that video. Let's go.